Another tool for placement are requirement type zones. These consist of polylines and can be added or drawn like areas or fields. Their main meaning is to align different table definitions or the same table definition with differing parameters to particular zones of the same field. That allows you to adapt a table definition to different surface conditions inside one field. Another example is to strengthen the static of some tables as a reaction to the main wind direction. We'll demonstrate this now by first running a simple placement of our demo tables. We select our field South and go to the Tables tab and select our demo tables. Then we press Start Auto Placement. For this tutorial we assume a prevailing wind direction from west to east, so we'll strengthen the substructure for the first two tables of each row. First step is to draw a requirement type zone around the tables. All tables which are at least partially inside this zone will get placed with its settings. We go to the structure list and right-click Draw Requirement Type Zone. Now we zoom in and create a polyline around the first two tables of each row. We close our requirement type zone with the shortcut C and press Enter. We call this zone West Wind Zone. Now we create the requirement type West Wind configuration and connect our demo tables to it. For that we move to the Tables tab and say Add Requirement Type. This one we name West Wind Configuration. And then we select it and say Add Table Definition and select our demo tables again. In our default profile there are 2 posts for each table. Now we select the demo table 5x10 and press on Parameters. Here we increase the post quantity to 4. We do the same for our demo table 5x5. Now we select our next smaller demo table and go to the next point. Now we connect the requirement type to our requirement type zone. For that, we open the structure tree in front of field South and select our West Wind zone. Here we can select the requirement type West Wind configuration. Now all settings are complete for another placement. We select our field South and press the Auto Placement button. As you can see, all tables inside our requirement type zone have 4 posts. All other tables still have 2 posts for their substructure. Use this function to set up your field as needed.